A moron and a genius have the same number of brain cells. That's the beauty of life. All human beings have 100 billion brain cells, or neurons as they are called. So then, what makes a genius smarter than a moron? It cannot be the number of brain cells, definitely. It's more like, or more of, the number of neural pathways. I believe that a genius has been able to form more neural pathways than a moron or somebody who is averagely intelligent. So let's take two confectioners or two chefs, for example. They could go to the same catering school and learn how to make shawarma, for example. But what makes a genius is that a genius says, okay, I have learned how to make shawarma with this recipe. I am now going to try other combinations, while the average person just remains the same. So a genius says, I am going to try to make shawarma with carrots instead of cabbage. I'm going to try to make it with cucumbers. I'm going to try to make it with so many other leafy greens. I'm going to try to make it with broccoli. A genius says, I'm going to try many more combinations. Now, the more he tries more combinations, the more neural pathways are formed. In fact, a genius could say, I'm going to use cabbage, but experiment. I'm going to try more combinations with the amount of cabbage relative to maybe chicken or beef. Or I'm going to try to experiment and try more combinations with the combination of ingredients. So the more combinations he tries, guess what? The more neural pathways he's forming. And that's how geniuses become geniuses. They are willing to try more combination of things. They are willing to do more in terms of how many trials they can perform, and that's what makes a genius a genius. A genius neurosurgeon, take Ben Carson for example. You remember what Ben Carson said? Ben Carson said that on the average, neurosurgeons in America perform 170 operations every year, but I perform 250. So he did 80 more surgeries than the average neurosurgeon, and that was how he was able to solve complex problems and perform groundbreaking operations, because he had seen more, he had tried more, he had done more. So becoming a genius is not rocket science. It's just applying some of these principles and forming more neural pathways, so that when others get stuck, you have more inroads, cognitive inroads, and you know how to navigate complex problems. I hope this works well for you. Do have an amazing day, and bye for now.